Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Adobe Premiere Pro for editing projects, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with Adobe Premiere Pro, first, visit the Adobe website. Click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the home page. If you already have an Adobe account, enter your email and password to log in. If you don't have an account yet, select the option to create a new account. Fill in the required information, including your name, email, and password. Once you've completed the form, click on Create Account. After creating your account, you may need to verify your email address. Check your email for a confirmation message from Adobe. Click the verification link provided in the email. Once your email is verified, return to the Adobe website and sign in again. Navigate to the Plans section to view Adobe Premiere Pro subscription options. Select the plan that best suits your editing needs. Follow the prompts to enter your payment information and complete your purchase. After subscribing, you will gain access to download Adobe Premiere Pro. Locate the Download section in your account settings. Click on the Premiere Pro icon to start the download. Once the download is complete, open the installation file. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. After installation, launch the application from your desktop or Applications folder. Sign in with your Adobe account credentials when prompted. Now, you are ready to start editing your projects in Adobe Premiere Pro. Explore the user interface to familiarize yourself with the tools and options available. To begin a new project, click on New Project in the Welcome screen. Enter your project name and select your desired project settings. Click OK to create your project and start editing your video. You are now set up to edit your projects using Adobe Premiere Pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.